I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Celsius to Fahrenheit on a digital thermometer. First, find the button labeled C/F or Mode on your device. This button is usually small and might be on the back or side. Press and hold it down for about 3 to 5 seconds. You should see the temperature unit on the display switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa. Release the button once the desired unit appears. Not all thermometers operate the same way. Some models only require a quick, single press of the C/F button to toggle between units. For other devices, you might need to press 2 buttons at the same time, such as the power button and the C/F button. If you're unsure, checking the user manual is always the best approach, as it provides precise instructions for your specific model. For more advanced digital thermometers, the unit change might be located within a settings menu, accessible by pressing a Set or Menu button. If you're having trouble, a factory reset can sometimes resolve the issue, though it might also clear other settings. Always ensure your thermometer has fresh batteries, as low power can sometimes affect display functions and button responsiveness. In summary, changing units on your digital thermometer usually involves pressing and holding a specific button. If that doesn't work, try a quick press or check for a settings menu. Knowing the conversion formulas can also be helpful. Multiply Celsius by 1.8 and add 32 for Fahrenheit, or subtract 32 from Fahrenheit and divide by 1.8 for Celsius.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.